At Healthcare Partners Medical Group, our mission is to provide the highest quality of healthcare to each and every patient. With 5 locations in Pahrump, we are local doctors you know and trust. We want to thank you for choosing us. Quality care starts here.
This portion of the news is brought to you by Affiliated Chiropractic and Affiliated Physical Therapy. Come in for your free consultation. Call 775-727-8900. Our goal is to create the individual treatment plan that will restore your health and end pain. News is also brought to you by Dr. George Leaks, Pahrump's optometrist since 1990, offering full spectrum eye care for children and adults. Call today, 727-8300.
And welcome back. How much would you pay to save your pet? According to estimates by the American Pet Products Association, Americans will spend over $13 billion on general and specialty care this year. In today's Angie's List report, navigating veterinarian specialty care.
A primary veterinarian is someone that'll do the regular care for your pet, like vaccinations and just your checkup every year. A specialty vet is going to focus on different areas of medicine. So for example, dermatology, or physical therapy, or things like that, just like your regular doctor and their specialists. When going to a specialized veterinarian, you need to plan ahead for the cost. Talk to your general veterinarian about how much it's going to cost so you're not surprised. More than 50% of the respondents in a recent Angie's List poll have used a specialty vet, and 27% of them said it costs more than $2,500. When hiring a specialty veterinarian, you're going to do the same research as you would a regular veterinarian. You want to check their board credentials, you want to know their experience, how long they've been practicing, the same type of steps you would use in hiring a specialist for yourself.
We knew from 6 months on that he had hip problems and we were going to have to watch, and we did. It stabilized until he got worse at about 5. And that's when we had a hip transplant.
Doing fine, till of course the last couple years. As we all age, as we all know, arthritis creeps up on us, and so he's had joint pain, and he's been on medication. His pain crisis was really beyond what the typical vet clinic is capable of handling. Not that they're not good and not that they don't understand medicine and what's wrong with dogs, but they don't have the extra special certified people on their staff or the extra equipment and that extra expertise with that equipment. And so when we brought him out here, one of the first things they did, of course, was run a whole battery of tests on him, ultrasound and MRIs and so forth, and then give us a whole wrap-up of what the analysis is of what was wrong and how do we go about taking care of it.
Starbase Nellis is scheduled to host a ribbon-cutting ceremony tomorrow after successfully completing its pilot year, in which more than 200 Las Vegas Valley 4th and 5th graders were instructed in the areas of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Starbase serves to raise the interest and improve the knowledge of at-risk youth in those fields to help meet the United States advanced technological requirements of the nation.
And an Act of Kindness award was presented to Jeremy Jensen at the Pahrump Nugget this morning.
But we're here today to present an Act of Kindness award to Golden Gaming. Jeremy Jensen is going to accept the award, and they've also given back to this community quite a bit. And just recently, they gave away $15,000 to 3 different charities. Ron Frazier is here from one of the organizations. The other 2 is Tom Switzer from the Coalition, and Dave Berkowitz for his organization. Well, Ron's here right now. We'll let him tell you what that $5,000 his organization received, what will do to make their little organization run a little bit more smoothly.
Well, we're pleased that Golden Gaming has stepped up and given No to Abuse $5,000. That's a lot of money to an organization, and it goes to help a lot of people. Since we've started the Child Advocacy Center, that is unfunded at this time with from anything other than private donations, and this $5,000 is going towards helping take care of some of the tests that needed to be done and some of the interviews that need to be done to help process the perpetrators. So I want to tell Jeremy at this time and Butch, this is a great award, and no one is more deserving than Golden Gaming and Jeremy Jensen.
Yeah, one thing else I found out about Jeremy, he's also a board member of one of these charities, and I ain't going to say which one it is, but besides just his organization, well, his company he works for, giving out back to the community, Jeremy also gives his personal time to the community. So at this time, I'd like to present the Act of Kindness Award to the Pahrump Nugget, and Jeremy will accept it, and he can read it and give you his opinion.
Thank you very much, Butch and Ron. This is quite an honor to receive this. We feel that it's our responsibility in the community to give back, and it's our honor to receive this award and be a part of this community. And on behalf of the Pahrump Nugget, Goldtown, and Lakeside, we thank you very much. And also, I believe that that the community needs to understand what Butch does for our community. I mean, he's doing a lot of this on his own time. He's out, collecting patches, driving to communities, driving to Aurora, Colorado, going to children's hospitals. I mean, Butch is doing a phenomenal job in this community, and there's not a better spokesman for this town than you are. So I thank you for what you're doing, Butch, and also you as well, Ron. I mean, you're doing a wonderful thing with No to Abuse, and you guys are the ones that should be receiving the award today, not me. So I thank you guys for what you do.
And if anybody wants to buy some of this jewelry, I just got out of the hospital 5 minutes ago. I'm willing to sell it and we'll donate it to charity. But I'm going back up to Aurora next week. If anybody wants to sign their name on a card, I will be around town collecting more signatures. And all I can say is thank you and have a nice day. And one more thing, have a golden day.
So Butch Harper showed up right after the hospital to go to Jeremy Jensen and give that award. He came directly out of the hospital, yelled at the doctor to get him out in time to present that award to him. Is that crazy or what?
Very crazy. Always on the go, Butch. Take care of yourself, though.
So get your computers ready for the ticket giveaway right after weather.
Join us at the Pahrump Nugget Hotel and Casino with the #1 gaming experience and entertainment. The Pahrump Nugget has the #1 dining experience at Stockman Steakhouse, Golden Harvest Cafe, and the Gold Miners Buffet. Come get your game on at the Pahrump Nugget Hotel and Casino.
News 46 Weather is brought to you by Healthcare Partners Medical Group, with 5 locations in Pahrump, local doctors and professional staff providing total care from infancy to seniors. News 46 Weather is also brought to you by your local dairy farmers. Dairy products are very important in maintaining a healthy body. For more information, you can visit their website at nevadadairycouncil.org.
And welcome back today, everyone. We had rain in different parts of the areas. Here we had rain for a little bit, and then it went away and it was sunny. So it's been very spotty out there today. Our high, though, was very nice. 83 degrees was our high. It's been a long time since we've been able to say that. Our winds were coming out of the south at 3, and our gusts at 18, or coming out of the south at 6, and our gusts are at 18. UV index today was at 5 moderate, and our pressure was at 30.04. Humidity, if you were outside, I'm sure you know this, was 50%, and our sunrise was at 6:24 a.m. Our record for today was 109 degrees back in 1945. Looking now at tonight, we're going to have a low of 65 degrees with our winds coming out of the south-southeast at 3 and our gusts at 10. Humidity going up even more to 62%, and our sunset is looking to be at 6:56 p.m. Record for tonight was 54 degrees back in 1952. Looking now at tomorrow, we're going to see a high of 92 degrees and a low of 65. Our winds coming out of the north-northeast at 3 with our gusts at 6. Humidity is going to be kind of up there at 38%, and our sunrise once again is going to be at 6:24 a.m. Our UV index is going to be at 8, very high. Looking now at our 7-day forecast, tomorrow we're going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies. Like I said, our high is going to be in the 90s and our low it will be in the 60s as well. And across the 7-day forecast, we are going to be in the 90s, 95 for most of it. Our lowest high is going to be 93 degrees, so not too bad. 90s is a lot better than triple digits. And our lows are going to remain in the 60s with our lowest low being 65 tomorrow.
Well, we hope you have your computers ready and a pen because you're going to need it. Do you love Italian food? Then you're in luck. Tonight, KPVM is giving away 2 sets of VIP tickets for the San Gennaro Fest in Las Vegas, which starts today and ends on Sunday. Each set includes 4 VIP passes, good for free entry for 1 adult with no waiting in line, and also 1 POP unlimited ride coupon. Each set is valued at about $65. Wow. All you have to do is be one of the first 2 emailers to email Rhonda at kpvm.tv. And I'm going to spell that out for you, and that's Rhonda, RONDA, at kpvm.tv. And in your email, in the subject, put meatballs. And this is for the 5 p.m. newscast only. Enjoy.
That's very exciting. San Gennaro Feast is always a lot of fun.
There you go.
All right, well, this Saturday, September 15th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., the Nye County Sheriff's Office, Nye Communities Coalition, and the Drug Enforcement Administration will give the public another opportunity to prevent pill abuse and theft by ridding their homes of potentially dangerous, expired, unused, and unwanted prescription drugs. Bring your medications for disposal to Ian Deutsch Memorial Park, located on Honeysuckle Street. The service is free and anonymous, no questions asked. You can also turn in your medications all year long at the Nye County Sheriff's Office. For more information, call the Sheriff's Office at 751-7000.
And if you're looking for information about the Fall Festival, keep an eye out for KPVM's Fall Festival magazine with schedules and lots of valuable information. You can find them in various stores throughout Pahrump.
And now through October 25th, Healthcare Partners Medical Group is hosting its first fall food drive. The goal of the event is to collect food and supplies for the Pahrump Senior Center, Pahrump Health and Rehabilitation Center. Canned and dried goods will be accepted at the following Pahrump locations: all Healthcare Partners clinics, the Pahrump Senior Center, Pahrump Health and Rehabilitation Center, Desert View Hospital, I Love Yogurt, and the Pahrump Party Supply Store.
And if you would like to enter the Fall Festival Parade, contact the town office at 727-5107.
And that's going to do it for this edition of News 46. I'm Zach Fuentes.
And I'm Deanna O'Donnell.
Have a wonderful night, everyone. We'll see you here again tomorrow. Good night, Pahrump.
Good night.